Hey guys, so welcome to my 2-minute video tip. So this is going to be the first episode, and this episode I'm going to show you guys how to restart your iPhone or iPad. What we normally do is to hold the sleep button, right? So you hold the sleep button. Just for your information, if you're using the 10th, iPhone 10 or 11, when you hold it, the Siri will come up, okay? So you have to press, okay, the volume button and the sleep button at the same time. But what you see is slide to power off, right? This is what you normally do, slide to power off. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to restart instead of power off your phone. So in order to restart your phone, you have to go to the setting, and then go to accessibility, and then see the word touch. So you go to touch, and then make sure that you turn on the accessive touch. Accessive touch. Turn the accessive touch on. When you turn it on, you will see the virtual home button. This is the virtual home button. So click on this virtual button, click on device, and then press on more, and then you will see the word restart. So click on restart. Okay, so that's it. I hope to see you guys in the next episode. Thanks.